Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So recently I've been looking around for some wireless earbuds. I wanted to find some pretty cheap pairs of wireless earbuds. Since I already have my Galaxy Buds, I just wanted to see some comparisons that are way cheaper than these. So I have my Galaxy Buds right here. These were $100. Well, these were $130 at release and now they're $100. And I was just looking around, and this one caught my eye right here. The Pasonomi T22. I'm not sure where this is from, or if this is a pretty big company or something like that. But these were $20, and from the reviews and the pictures, these looked pretty good. So I'm just gonna be unboxing these today, and basically just looking at the design overall, reviewing them. Maybe not sound quality today, because I did just receive these. So let's get on with it. So. It has some images right here, sound for urban sports and all that. I'm not sure what those are for. Slides off pretty easily. We have this congratulations winner thing. I'm not sure what that's for, but it's kind of weird. So we have our earbuds right here, or at least the case right there. Let's put that to the side. See what else do we have in here. This box to the side. We have some papers, I guess, instructions on how to use it right there. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the cable, the charging cable, and extra earbud tips. So we have a USB-C charger, which is pretty nice. Everything's turning to use USB-C, which is better. Not having to use a whole bunch of different cables. So USB-C to USB-A. There is no charging brick. It just comes with the cable, which is normal for most earbuds. We have our extra earbud tips, I guess. So you just switch out the one that fits best for your ears. Put that to the side. And here's our earbud case. Feels pretty light, very small. Let me get my Galaxy Buds. As you can see, compared to my Galaxy Buds, these are really compact. Very small. The plastic does feel a little cheaper than the Galaxy Buds case. I did get it for $20. So it has their logo right there, Pasonomi, or something like that. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. USB-C charging on the back. I'm pretty sure this doesn't have wireless charging. Let's test it out. Let me get my phone right here. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, no wireless charging on this. I guess that's okay. You are getting it for $20. So let's check out the earbuds in here. Pretty compact earbuds. So they fit in nicely. The magnets are pretty strong. Let's do a shake test really quick. These are not budging out. So you're not going to lose them if your case just falls on the ground. Let's test it out. Yep, you're not going to have any problems with that. The magnet, not that strong. Not the best magnet I've seen on wireless earbuds. Like AirPods are way better. The Galaxy Buds, they don't have a magnet, but they do have this latching on system. So it just closes shut. Let's take out these earbuds. They feel pretty nice. They're not the best quality earbuds. I haven't tested them out for the sound yet, but so they have the sticker right here. Let's take that off, I guess, so it doesn't charge or something like that. It's kind of weird having a sticker right there, but if I can get it to get off. Okay, so I have that off. And let's get this other one off really quick. Not sure why they have a sticker there, maybe to prevent charging, but I haven't seen that on any other earbuds, so. Okay, so earbuds, overall they feel pretty nice. Not the best quality, but as I said, I'm gonna repeat myself again, $20. So this, you shouldn't expect something that's really high quality. Let's get my Galaxy Buds out really quick. They are smaller than my Galaxy Buds, that's for sure. So they have magnets on them. That's why they're sticking to each other. Overall, for $20, I haven't tested the sound out yet, but I feel like these are really nice earbuds. And they're charging. As you can see, there's an LED on the earbuds, and there's an LED out here. So there's 4 LEDs. I guess 25% for each. I'm not sure about battery life. It says music playtime up to 4 hours, and it has a 10-meter distance. Let's read some of these. So high fidelity, 10-meter distance, high fidelity sound, 350 milliamp hours, built-in charge box, music playtime 4 hours, and ergonomic structure. I'm not sure if all those are true. The playtime and whatever, my Galaxy Buds gets around 4 hours on one charge. So I'll probably get back to you guys later on, after I test these out a lot more, use it for a while, around a week or so. So that's about it, guys. $20, as I said. As of right now, it looks like that's a really good deal for these. I haven't tested out the sound quality or battery life, but on the box it says 4 hours, up to 4 hours of music playtime. So that is a pretty decent amount of time for the price of these earbuds. And overall, these earbuds are good. I'd say if all these are true on the box, I'd say go for it. 20 bucks for this, worth it. Totally worth it. So that's about it, guys. Comment down below what you think of these earbuds, and also comment down below if you guys want other kinds of videos. And one more question, I'd like to know if you guys want more Apple type of videos or if you guys want more Android videos. Just make sure to comment down below so I know and I get this content out for you guys, whichever one you like the most. So that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.